Hi, thanks for stopping by today. We are going to make this fun diagonal centerfold surprise. Of course, the card is really cute, but look what happens on the inside. Ha! Those cute little chickens! Hi, Stampers. This is Dawn, and today we're going to be making this amazing centerfold pop-up card. It's so cute. This is the one that I got from my downline, Sharon Honeycutt. She sent me this card and I absolutely fell in love with it, like I know you all will. But she sent it to me using the Darling Donkey stamp set along with the Hydrangea Hill designer paper. But look at the inside. Oh my gosh, don't you love that? So she had watched a video on YouTube and the instructions were in Japanese. So she translated it and gave me the instructions. So I recreated it using the Hey Chick and the Hey Birthday Chick. So there's a promotion coming up with these two stamp sets. You're going to get the dies as well, so you get them in a bundle. But I'm going to go ahead and put this card together. I'm going to show you how to make it. And then I did do a little prep work. I did the coloring and the die cutting already for you for this card, all right? So we're just going to assemble the card and make it. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are the pieces we're going to be using today. I'm going to be using the Flirty Flamingo, and this piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 11. And we're going to score this. And then a piece of the basic white. This piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 12. And then your layers. I just cut these diagonal, kind of like at a quirky size for the front. Here, let me show you again. I didn't quite measure them. I just kind of turned the cardstock and just cut at different shapes, at angles. So I used the Daffodil Delight for those. And I cut 3 of them. And then you're going to need a piece of Flirty Flamingo. This is for the inside pop-up part of the card. This piece is cut at 3 1/4 by 5. And then this piece is going to layer on top of that. And this piece is cut at 3 by 4 1/4. Then for the bottom layer of the inside of the card, let me show you that again. So this piece right here, we're going to use our ruler today. So this piece of the Daffodil Delight is cut at 4 by 4 1/4, and then the piece of the basic white is cut at 3 3/4 by 4, and that's going to layer on that. That's what we're going to use the ruler for, is for this piece right here, as well as this piece of basic white here. Okay, all right, let's grab our paper trimmer first. Okay, so on our Flirty Flamingo piece, we're going to score this in half at 5 1/2. Just going to fold this in half. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. Now we're going to grab our basic white piece. Let me open up my arm. We're going to score this at 4 1/2, 6, and 7 1/2. Okay, and we're going to go back to the 6-inch score line, and we're going to cut a slit. So I'm going to cut using my arm right here. I'm going to cut starting at 1/2 inch. My sidearm here has a piece of copy paper on there so I can see those numbers really nice. So start cutting at 1/2 inch down to 3 3/4. Okay, so the idea is that you want this piece of the Flirty Flamingo. Remember, this piece is cut at 3 1/4 by 5. You want this piece to be able to slide through your cut, just like that. Okay, so then we're going to take our 5-inch side across the Flirty Flamingo and we're going to score this at 1/2 inch. Okay, we're going to fold that over. Okay, now let's go ahead and grab our ruler and our pencil. Okay, so on our 12-inch piece right here, let me fold these score lines really good. Okay, so on the 4 1/2 inch score line, this one right here, we're going to take our ruler and I'm going to position the 1 inch right on that 4 1/2 inch score line, and you're going to make a pencil line at 1 inch. Okay, so I'm going to go at 2 inches right here, and then I'm going to go down to the to the very first mark for the 1 inch. So you have 1 inch here and then 2 inch here. Then you're going to go along the line, you're going to go inside 1 inch. So you're just going to make your pencil line at 1 inch right there. So then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Because then we're going to score at a diagonal on those 2 points. All right, and then on our Daffodil Delight piece, you're going to do the exact same thing on this. So you're going to go in to 1 inch, the very top, make a pencil line, and then you're going to go down at 1 inch. Okay, so this is going to be cut at an angle, and you're going to also do this side as well. I know sometimes I really don't want to use the ruler, but sometimes it really does call for it. And it'll be really cute when you do end up using the ruler. And everything will be proportioned right. Okay, so then we're going to take our scissors. Let's just do this piece right here. We're going to take our scissors. And what we're going to do on this piece is we're going to cut from the point to the point where the pencil mark is. Okay? From there to there. And then this is going to be layered into our card base on this basic white piece right here. Then we're going to take our basic white piece here. And what I did for that is I just held it up, right up to that edge where we angle cut that. Just take that basic white right up to that edge. Then flipped it over. Then I'm just going to angle cut the basic white. Just like that. So then once you cut this, it should be matted with the Daffodil Delight, just like that. Okay? We're going to go ahead and use our bone folder and our ruler with our paper piercing mat. So let me grab that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take those pencil lines that we made at the 1 inch. Remember? So we're going to angle score those on both sides. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and erase our pencil line. Okay, so then you're just going to fold these diagonals with the center. This is the 4.5 inch score line. This is going to be popped up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it on those diagonals, making sure the basic white lines up with the other side here. It should line up. And then reinforce that fold line with your bone folder. Okay, and then do the other side the exact same way. Fold that. And then fold that one. Once again, making sure it lines up. And then reinforce that fold line. Okay, so then it should look like this when you're done. Okay, hopefully that shows up. Whisper white piece. Now this is just going to get added to the Flirty Flamingo, but I want to let you know that if you want anything stamped before you actually put the card together, do all your stamping ahead of time. So I'm going to go ahead and add my greeting and my little chick, which I've already did. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to this Daffodil Delight. Okay, so this is going to sit right onto your Daffodil Delight, just like that. And there's the little chick that's hatched. He's got a birthday hat on. How cute. So we're just going to put that stamp and seal on that 1/2 inch score line right there. So next we're going to go ahead and add our layer here. And I'm going to use the liquid glue. Remember, this piece is cut at 3 by 4 1/4. Okay, so this is going to slide into our little slit that we cut. All right, so then our card is going to be folded up like this. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece, this longer piece over here, into the Flirty Flamingo first. And we're going to line this up at the edge. And then if you do turn it over and you have some basic white showing, you can always trim that out. Okay, so now on this piece right here, or Flirty Flamingo piece that's scored at a 1/2 inch right here, this is going to sit right onto that score line of the other Flirty Flamingo. So I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal for that, because I want that to seal down really, really nice. And the liquid glue might take a little bit too long to hold in place. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put our liquid glue on this end. Okay, so I'm going to put this into position right where I want it. Okay, and then we're going to take this piece, and this is going to be folded over to this other edge right here. Okay, and then your pop-up should be pressed down right there. And then when you also close the card, it's also going to seal up. So just go ahead and give that a good press. Okay, and that's your card right there. Don't you love it? So this pop-up doesn't actually go into the card. Okay, so it stays in position. So as long as you're working everything underneath this pop-up piece right here, the card should close and nothing should peek out. Okay, so this is where we're going to add our little Let's Celebrate You piece. We're going to add this to the Daffodil Delight. And then this piece is going to go right inside here. So you can see why we wanted to angle cut those, because of this diagonal fold that we have. We don't want to interfere with that mechanism. So then this is going to go at the bottom. Just like that. And then the fun part, we're going to decorate the front and we're going to do the inside. So let's go ahead and do the front first. I'm going to add my diagonal pieces here. We're going to add this one. I just used the twine from the snail mail combo pack of the twine, and I put the white piece along the batter end on my diagonal cut. And then we're going to use this one here. And I put the diagonal cut, the fat end, on opposite ends of each other. So like this end is going to go over here. And then this one is going to sit down here. Okay. You just hold that in place for just a couple seconds. Okay, so then I went ahead and already stamped my cute little chicken here. It says, "Happy birthday, you're still a spring chicken." Now let me show you those stamp sets really quick. Now this is the Happy Birthday Chick. This is available in the January through June mini catalog right now. And this will also be available in a promotion starting on February 2nd with the past Hey Chick. This was from our Celebration mini catalog. I think it's been at least 3 or 4 years ago. And this was called Hey Chick. And the promotion, let me grab my flyer. So this is the flyer. You can see here it starts on February 2nd through June 30th. You can purchase these stamps in a bundle with the dies. So I have the dies here. This is the Birthday Chick die. Let me grab them out of the sleeves. So this is the Birthday Chick. Isn't it cute? This one goes with this one, Hey Birthday Chick. Adorable. So you can get those in a bundle. And then this stamp set, which is coming back, the Hey Chick. And this is the Hey Chick die. So you can get this in a bundle. Okay, and this also has a few, like a chicken coop. It's got corn on the cob here, and the the cornstalk. It's such a cute little die. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is that bundle, the Hey Chick, and then this the chick dies. Okay, so here's the flyer. I will actually put the link to the flyer so you can check that out below in the description box, along with the new flyer for the new basic white cardstock. This is replacing our Whisper White cardstock. And I will do a review on that as well. Probably another video this upcoming week, all right? So both of the flyers will be posted down below. Okay, so we're gonna put this up on a couple dimensionals. Right between our Daffodil Delight. So cute. Okay, so now we're going to decorate the inside. So what I did is I went ahead and colored all the cute little chickens, and I have all the blend colors listed down below. And if you click on the link, it will take you to my online store, so you can add these to your cart and you can purchase them. So I took the bigger chicken right here with the bloom because he's so much taller, and I just thought that that would look so cute overhanging on this pop-up piece in the center. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere him down with the Stampin' Seal. Now remember, you want to keep everything below this line right here. And I'm just going to set him in the center, right about there. And then we're going to take our other two chickens. This one's got the cupcake. So cute. We're going to put this cupcake chick. I just put adhesive on the cupcake. We're going to put that right on the inside of that diagonal right there. Let me show you. So you can see the diagonals right here. So that chicken sits right on that edge. And then we're going to do this one. This is going to get adhesive on his legs, and he's going to go over here onto this diagonal. So when you close it, the chickens on the side fold in just like that. And then see the balloon, since you put it below this line, it stays within that diameter of the card. So when it closes, you don't see anything peeking out. It's so cute. Okay, so then one more thing. Remember I told you to stamp before you put the card together? Well, we totally forgot to stamp. So in the birthday chick stamp, I have this cute little confetti stamp. So I'm going to attempt to stamp this along the edge of my card. Just along the left and the right edge. I would do the whole stamp, but the Daffodil Delight's right there. How cute is that? Okay, so then I went ahead and stamped Have a Happy Day, Hey Chick stamp set. I'm gonna pop that up on a dimensional. And I'm gonna squeeze this in to the inside here. So I'm gonna put this Have a Happy Day right over here. Just like that. Okay, so it says on the front, happy birthday, you're still a spring chicken. And then have a happy day, let's celebrate you. Oh, and then I did add some sequins. Isn't it cute? I love this card, Sharon. Thank you so much for your cute donkey one. Let me show you that one again. Okay, so here's the one that I got from Sharon. Isn't it cute with the donkeys inside? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it, Sharon. Oh, love it. And then here's the one that I made previously. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. Even with this donkey card, I'll have those items listed down there too. And then don't forget the flyers for the new basic white, and then also the Hey Chick and Hey Birthday Chick bundles that are coming on February 2nd. Then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.